Alright guys, welcome back to another edition of my quarantine cocktails. These cocktails are easy to make at home. A lot of them are using similar ingredients, so if you like this one, check out some of the other videos, see what I've got, see what I make with those ingredients. We're talking 3 to 4 ingredients max. Easy to get, and of course, most importantly, cheap to buy ingredients. Perfect for quarantine, perfect for lockdown. In this video we're going to be making an all-time favourite of mine. It's the White Lady. Classic 1920s cocktail. So what we need for this one is we need gin, of course, good bottle of gin, your favourite, do whatever you can get your hands on. This was the cheapest one in Aldi, it works perfectly for cocktails. Second, you're going to need some lemons. And last but not least, an all-time favourite, Cointreau. I've got my mascot today, he's back, it's Tennington the Cocktail Bear, making his second or third appearance now. Love him live, let's get into it. Step 1, you need a cocktail shaker. If you don't have a cocktail shaker, anything that you can shake a cocktail in would do. You can use a Tupperware box, you can use a jar, if you've got like a little swing top, closed lid jar, you can use a jam jar, real hipster like, whatever you have. For this one, we're going to go in with 40 millilitres of our gin, which I'm using this measure up. If you don't have a measure up, but you do have a shot glass, it's about 1.5 shot glasses will do. That's 40 millilitres of your gin. Cointreau. We're going to go in with 25 millilitres of Cointreau. So once again, I'm using the measure, but if you are using a shot glass, it's just 1 full shot glass. In that goes. I'm going to move that to one side because we're going to need to juice our lemons. So grab your lemons. One should be enough. We're looking for 25 millilitres of lemon juice. So cut that in half. Give it a squeeze. If you've got a juicer, perfect. If you don't, it's alright. Just squeeze it into a glass or whatever you've got. Try and make sure you don't get any pips in there. Throw that out of the way. And we're looking at, oh, there we go, perfect. 25 millilitres of lemon juice and 1 pip in there for good luck. And that's it. We got our gin, we got our Cointreau, we got our lemon juice, 40 millilitres of the gin, 25 millilitres of the Cointreau, 25 millilitres of the lemon juice. That'll work perfectly. We'll add some ice into this. Ice. Add your ice into that. Lid on, secure. Second lid on, whatever you're using to shake. Make sure it's covered. Make sure you get no spillages. The last thing you want to do is be spilling gin. There we go, that's shut. You want to shake it till it's cold to touch. If you're using something like a Tupperware box or a plastic bottle, it's going to be a lot harder to tell. So you're going on for about 10 seconds. Should be fine, should be ample. That's that. Grab that coupe that we've got chilling in the fridge or freezer. On out. Just like so. Garnish that with a grab of lemon. Cut yourself off a chunky peel of that lemon and you'll get all this bit inside. That's the pith. It's going to make it hard to move around. It's going to make it bitter. So we're going to cut that pith off as much as we can. Cut the sides. There we go. There we go. Fold it in on itself. Put it on there like. And there we go, the White Lady. The man who wrote The Great Gatsby, his wife ordered these cocktails and was platinum blonde, hence the name, The White Lady. Let's have a taste, see what we're working with. Delicious, absolutely delicious, refreshing, orangey, lemony, zesty. It's White Lady. Hannah,
yeah.
Have you ever had a White Lady?
Oh, once or twice.
Do you want another one? Come have a taste, come see what we're working with. Teddington loves it. What do you think, Teddington? He's too young to drink. What am I thinking? Grab yourself white lady.
Best one I've ever had.
Best one she's ever had. There you go. You heard it here first. That's the white lady. If you want to know some more fun facts about this, check out the link in the description. There's a link to my blog. I've got this recipe with the whole white lady history, variations on the classic, everything you need to know. So check that out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, check out some of my other perfect quarantine classic cocktails.